It was almost 2 weeks ago that low water supplies at the Bethel Reservoir forced military officials to cut back water use. Until further notice, there will be no lawn watering or washing of cars, either privately owned or military vehicles, at Fort Monroe, NASA Langley Air Force Base, or the Bethel Manor housing complex. About the time the water restrictions were imposed on the federal properties, NASA started filling a wind tunnel up with almost 300,000 gallons of water a day for 6 days. All told, more than 1.9 million gallons went out of the Bethel Reservoir and into the new National Transonic Facility. The $85 million project, which has been under construction for 4 years, will one day test aircraft that fly in transonic conditions, or at the speed of sound. To find out if there were any leaks in the $23 million stainless steel shell, the scientists had to fill it with water, with the permission of reservoir officials. The tests were successfully completed over the weekend. And if the timing strikes you as a little inconvenient, the scientists have an explanation.
We selected this date over 3 years ago. It's one of the critical milestones for the completion of this new test facility. A delay would cost us from $3,000 to $5,000 a day. We felt that could not be tolerated. We also have a commitment to Congress to go online in 1982. Without meeting this milestone now, we could not meet that commitment.
A little harder to explain is what happened to all that water. NASA had hoped to truck it away little by little to be able to use it later. But Ward says it had to be flushed down the storm drains as quickly as possible. That's because fire hoses were using even more water, as much as another 1 million gallons all told, to balance the outside temperature of the shell with the inside so it wouldn't rupture. Kathy Barnsdorf, 13 News, Hampton.